vector A, vector B and vector C are three mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then prove that the modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector equals square root of 3. Solution. Now, modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector the whole square equals A vector square plus B vector square plus C vector square plus 2 A vector into B vector plus B vector into C vector plus C vector into A vector. Therefore, the modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector the whole square equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 0, as B vector into C vector minus A vector into B vector equals C vector into A vector equals 0. Therefore, modulus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector equals square root of 3. If modulus of A vector plus B vector equals 60 and modulus of A vector minus B vector equals 40 and modulus of B vector equals 46, find modulus of A vector. Modulus of A vector plus B vector the whole square plus modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square equals 2 into modulus of A vector square plus B vector square equals 2 into modulus of A vector square plus 2 into modulus of B vector square. That is 60 square plus 40 square equals 2 modulus of A vector square plus 2 modulus of 46 square. That is 8600 plus 1600 equals 2 into modulus of A vector square plus 2 into 2116. That is 2 into modulus of A vector square equals 5200 minus 4232 equals 968. Therefore, modulus of A vector square equals 484. Modulus of A vector equals 22. Let U, V and W be vectors such that U vector plus V vector plus W vector equals O vector. If modulus of U vector equals 3, modulus of V vector equals 4, modulus of W vector equals 5, find U vector into V vector plus V vector into W vector plus W vector into U vector. Solution. Modulus of U vector plus V vector plus W vector the whole square equals modulus of U vector square plus modulus of V vector square plus modulus of W vector square plus 2 into U vector into V vector plus V vector into W vector plus W vector into U vector. Therefore, O equals 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 2 times U vector into V vector plus V vector into W vector plus W vector into V vector. Therefore, U vector into V vector plus V vector into W vector plus W vector into V vector equals minus 50 by 2 equals minus 25. Show that the points whose position vectors 4i vector minus 3j vector plus k vector into 2i vector minus 4j vector plus 5k vector, I vector minus j vector form a right angle. Solution. Let A be 4, minus 3, 1, B be 1, minus 1, 0, C be 2, minus 4, 5. Now, AB square equals 9 plus 4 plus 1 equals 14. BC square equals 1 plus 9 plus 25 equals 35. AC square equals 4 plus 1 plus 16 equals 21. Clearly, AB square plus AC square equals BC square. Therefore, angle A equals 90 degrees.